In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reduce or delete system data on your iPhone. First, you can restart your device because a simple restart can clear temporary system files and free up some storage. Next thing you want to do is launch settings, scroll down and navigate to the option apps, then find Safari. Now scroll down, you're going to find the option clear history and website data. Safari browsing data can take up a surprising amount of space and clearing it can help reduce system data. Checking for the option all history, toggle on for the option close all tabs, click on clear history and confirm it. Another method is to go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to review what's taking up space. From there, you can tap Messages and delete large attachments or conversations that may be using unnecessary storage. You can also remove unused apps because many apps create cached files that becomes part of system data. Just delete the apps you don't use and reinstall them later if needed. Next up, update your iOS. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on Software Update. If any new updates are available, just update it. This will fix bugs that cause system data to grow too large. Next up, reset your iPhone. For that, head back, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. This will clear system cache without deleting personal data. And that's it. These are some ways to reduce or delete system data on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.